Hi there. This is a 2-pack of 6-foot USB-A, large USB, to the Garmin connector on the other side. I wear a Garmin watch, and this is how you charge it. And it plugs in with their unique plug, which, unlike a large USB, it'll go in either direction, just like a new USB-C, the smaller ones will. So works great. It's nice to have that 6-foot length. The cable that came with the watch is pretty short, so this makes setup on my nightstand a lot easier. And if you have one of these watches, you know they charge very quickly, but you have to charge them every couple days to keep them working. But get 2 of these cables, good quality, good length, and reasonably priced. So definitely recommend if you want to add on distance to the cable you have, replace it if your dog ate it, which I've done once, or just to have a spare. Highly recommend. Enjoy. Cheers.